Sarafina Salim nĩatigĩte mafans ake na ciũria nyingĩ, na ũũ nĩ thutha wake kũrekereria mbica ĩronekana tarĩ mũtino wa ngari no ndanataũra mũno, but she has hinted that it was an accident that once happened to her. She was once in a tragic car accident na nĩyo ĩno, na augĩte nĩ Ngai wamũhonokirie. She said that one day she will tell this story, but not today. This is what she said. This is what she had as the caption on that photo. It is the grace of God that saved my life. One day I will tell my story. Ngai ti mũndũ 2014 with a crying emoji. Well, it's an accident that happened to her back in 2014. Na tiga nĩ Ngai, we could be telling a different story. God saved her life and maybe one day nĩakahota kũheana rũgano rwa ũrĩa gwathire na mbere. But for now, she will leave it at that. She also shared another TBT photo of her with the late Mighty Salim saying, Oye TBT Mighty Salim, and another one with the Jose Gatutura, and also another one with Salim Young. It was a TBT Thursday. She had taken a trip down memory lane, akiririkana harĩa Ngai amũrutĩte.